How to remove a WhatsApp account from Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can remove or unlink WhatsApp account from Instagram. So guys, if you upload any type of any type of story or status on your WhatsApp and it is automatically uploaded in Instagram or Facebook, if you're facing this type of problem, then this video is absolutely for you. So to remove the WhatsApp account from your Instagram, what you need to do, just go to Instagram, click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then here on the top right you can see the 3 days. Simply click here, and then guys, here it will take a few moments to load the page. Okay, until that, please subscribe to the channel and please comment me down below what phone you are using. Okay, so here this type of interface will be pop up. Now here you have to click on account center and then scroll down and go to manage account. Simply click on manage account, and then here you can see this WhatsApp and your number will be seen here. So now to remove this, you have to click on manage option, and then here you can see move out of this account center. Simply you need to click on here, and then here you can see move account. Simply click on move account and then click on continue. Yes, finish moving. Just hold on for a few seconds, and then your WhatsApp account has been removed. So you can see here. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.